This could be a Jersey Mafia car too. Lucky Stiff budget funeral. He's selling raffles too for the next ride. I don't think I want to buy one though. Hellraiser V8. You got the driver in here. Skull on there too. Yeah, get him, boy. Lucky Stiff, boy. Big spider webs on there. Hey, here we go. Probably does a lot of business around the retirement communities too. Your ambulances go by every 3 seconds around here. Next one. The ones that don't make it go in here. We put the fun in the word funeral. That's wild. Sounds good to me. Oh, look at the trim too. Got skulls on it. A lot of work went in this. Ghost Rider. Yeah. It's badass.